After decades of research and development, medical scientists have announced that nanorobots capable of isolating and eliminating cancer cells could soon be ready for human testing. But it's the way it works that's truly mind-blowing. Now, check this out. Researchers at the Weiss Institute at Harvard University use a technique called DNA origami, and that's represented here by these ribbons. The robot is essentially made up entirely of these synthetic DNA strands, and when left alone, the strands then self-assemble. After all, they've been pre-programmed by engineers to assume a specific shape for a specific mission. In this case, that shape is a simple cylinder with two open ends on each end, held together by a DNA lock. Now, the lock can only be opened through a corresponding molecule or protein, much like a standard lock and key. And as you can see here, once this happens, the robot flings open to reveal its payload. And in this case, again, it might be a cancer drug that's then administered to the patient. Dr. Ido Bachelet, a leading researcher in the field of nanorobotics, explains how this works.
Nanorobot is capable of recognizing a small population of target cells within a large population of bystander cells, which should be left alone. And the way it does that is that while all cells share the same drug target that we want to attack, only those target cells express the proper set of keys that open the nanorobot, and therefore only they will be attacked by the nanorobot and by the drug.
So let's recap a little bit and take a closer look at this nanorobot. Now, remember that this structure is made entirely of synthetic DNA, but it's fully biocompatible with the way the human body works, meaning that not only can the robot be programmed to do a job, it can break down and be expelled naturally when that job is over. But what this monumental step in medical science represents goes much farther than treatment and rehabilitation, to include diagnostics as well. According to Dr. Bachelet, nanorobots can already identify at least 12 different types of tumors. And in the near future, these bots might be more like microsurgeons, injected into our arms as part of routine checkups, scanning our bodies and attacking disease cells before disease is even discovered. Needless to say, the future applications of this technology are endless. Manuel Rapalo, RT Studios, Washington.